Grab your coffee, you're not gonna wanna miss this one. Good morning, everyone. Another amazing day. Grateful to be here with you. Before we get started, don't forget to drop a like. If you're up and early, enjoying your coffee, drop a comment. Think about subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. I make Mullen content every single day, and today's video is exactly that. But it is official with Randy Marion, and I'm gonna explain exactly what I mean by that. We know that some exciting things have been happening with Randy Marion and Mullen Company, and today I'm going to share some things with you that makes it even more exciting and more official with big things to come. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my own opinion and telling you how I think, and you got to make your own decisions at the end of the day. Let's get started. Let me just add that we are green in pre-market, so that's another positive thing. So this is Randy Marion. If you didn't know who Randy Marion is, he's built something pretty amazing, if you ask me. If you don't know a little bit about Randy Marion, they have over 150 employees, and what it says online is the revenue per employee ratio is $355,000, okay? So that's pretty amazing. Randy Marion Automotive peak revenue was $53.4 million in 2022. Pretty awesome, right? Pretty successful business. Now, a lot of people know Randy Marion. They're very familiar with Randy Marion. And Randy Marion just partnered with Mullen Company and ordered electric vehicles ordered today and in the future. So the question is, what do you think is gonna happen in 2023 with these Class 1 vans with Randy Marion and Mullen Company? So let's take a look at Randy Marion's website, and what I mean is official now. So this is the website. Go to menu, shop vehicles, scroll down, and there you see it, Mullen electric vans. So Mullen Automotive wasn't there before, and now it is officially on Randy Marion's actual website. So this is a good sign for Mullen Company, right? Everything is kind of aligning. The picture is being painted for us. The stock price isn't the best, but if you saw my video yesterday, I have been talking about us making higher lows, which is a really good sign for the stock price moving up. All we need now is some more really good news, and I do think we can hit certain price targets that I've shared with you guys before. But let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think this is a big deal with what Randy Marion is doing with Mullen Company? What do you think is going to come in these next 3 quarters to finish out 2023? Now I wanted to give a shout out to ECIG Canada Zone. It looks like they put something together really explaining Mullen in the big picture. And if you've been a part of this channel, you know I've always said Mullen is building a solid company. And I really do think they've been building the foundation over these last 12 months. If you look at all the news, I know there's been some bad vibes with David and obviously with everything going on with the stock price, but lately David has been doing what he said they are going to do. And I'm excited for what's to come, especially with Class 1 vehicles. So we got the iGo, we have Class 1 vehicles, we have Class 3 vehicles that are coming. We have battery partnerships. You know, that's a really big thing. I made a video about the Tesla Model Y and the Mullen 5, and I really do think if this battery technology comes into fruition, they are going to, use these batteries for the Class 1 vans and for the Mullen 5, then this will be an absolute game changer, and Mullen will have an advantage compared to other EV companies. I still think the Mullen 5 compared to the Tesla Model Y is still good with how it is today, but that battery technology will absolutely change the game. We have RRDS also, don't forget about them. They're partnered directly with the government. That's military contracts, government contracts. That was a really big piece of news. And then of course, Bollinger Motors. We have so much going for Mullen. So right now, the stock price isn't the best, but I tend to zoom out and think about the big picture and really what are they building. The only thing we really have to worry about now is production. So this is all nice and this looks very, very appealing, but the next thing is they gotta produce. So we gotta produce more Class 1 vans. We gotta get into the Mullen 5 production in 2024. But this year it's all about the Class 1 vans, and I'm hoping we get another deal, another partnership, and we move up. Now yesterday I showed you the hour chart. This is the daily time frame, and you can see very clearly what we have been doing. We have been making higher lows, as you can see right here. We're building a base, a solid foundation. Now, the only thing that would be bad is if we do break this line right here. That could happen. If we do break it, we would probably retest it and then we would crash even further. Now, if we crash even further, we could test the lows of just under 10 cents again, and then even the lowest low under 9 cents again. So you want to be aware of that and manage your risk. But for me, I do think we are going to be moving up to the next level. That area that I'm looking for is about 12.84, so just under 13 cents. And then I do think we could retrace a little bit. So hopefully we continue this steady climb as we have been this last week or so. And then we can take maybe some profit and then buy back in as we come back down. Guys, if you want to learn more about the charts and how to buy and sell, especially Mullenstock, check out the links down below. Patreon, $7 a month right now. It will not last forever. We have over 115 members in there. And once we get to a certain number, I'm going to cut off the $7 and it's going to be $10. So check it out when you can. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. We'll see you on the next one.